several years ago, I'm talking to a friend of mine, and he's walking through this really, really tough situation in his marriage. And he's talking about all the things that she's not and all the problems that she has with it. And in the midst of it, he's talking about how he wants to leave. And I'm pushing him as his friend and just saying, man, you can't leave. Like, you just can't just up and walk away. That's not what you need to do. It's not what you should do. It's not the right thing to do. And he looks at me and he poses this question that I think at the end of the day, every single one of us ask at some point in our lives, and many of you are asking right now, don't I deserve to be happy? I want to be happy. I'm not happy anymore where I'm at. Have you ever thought about that? I mean, does God really want you to be happy? And if so, what's his role in that? And if not, I think it begs more questions, which is, if God doesn't want you to be happy, if that's not his ideal, his end goal, then what does he want for you? Does he want you to be miserable? Does he want you to be frustrated? And again, what's his role in that process? Where is he leading you to? What does he want to do in you and through you? This weekend, we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the issue of, do I deserve to be happy, in our series, Flip the Script. I hope you join us. It's going to be a great weekend. 9, 10:30. See you this Sunday, Ralphie's. God bless.